is Becky with Scott Leroy Marketing, and today I want to show you how you can update your service areas in Command. So there are going to be two different profiles where we will update our service areas. The first is going to be my profile, and the second is going to be the referrals profile. We're going to start by logging into Command, which is agent.kw.com with our KW login credentials. And once we are logged in, we are going to click the drop-down menu under our name. And first, we're going to navigate to the referrals profile. And once we are in the referrals profile, you can scroll down and you can see those service areas right here. And we are going to edit that by clicking Edit Profile. So we can remove certain service areas that we have added in already. So we can click Remove and we can click Add New. And we can add another one. And once we have added in our service areas, we're going to scroll down and we are going to click Save Changes. And if we scroll down, we can see that that has been added to our service areas. And so we know that our referrals profile is updated with those service areas. So next we're going to navigate back to Command, our dashboard. And once we are here, we are going to once again click the drop-down menu under our name. And this time we're going to navigate to My Profile. So once that has loaded, we are going to see our service areas are going to appear under the About Me section. So we're going to click Edit here. And let's go ahead. We can search by name here. We'll load. Let's try. There we go. That one will load. I don't know why Des Moines isn't loading. We can add that. We can add Orlando, Florida. We can also add neighborhoods or zip codes to this service areas section. So once we've added those, we're going to click Save Changes. And we will once again see those service areas populate right here. And that will be updated on our profile. So now we can navigate back to Command Home, and that is how you update your service areas in Command. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us, support@scottleroymarketing.com. We are more than happy to help out however we can.